In today's cookbook adventure, we are trying out a creamy white beans hummus from Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook. Welcome to today's video. My name is Carol. Let's see what you're working with. I have onions and leek. The recipe uses fennel bulb, but I did not find fennel bulb today in the market. So I decided to use some leek, olive oil, pressure cooked white beans. On this plate, I have a couple of things. I have black pepper, salt, nutmeg, paprika, cumin, lime juice, and garlic. First, we'll saute our onions with our leek for a few minutes. Cook them until soft and fragrant. We are almost done. We're going to add our spices and the garlic. We mix well. And then we take off the heat. Now into our food processor, we are going to put our beans. Don't fall down. Yeah, and the lime juice, then 3/4 of the onion mixture, we will combine until creamy. We are done. Let's put it in the plate. We taste it. Already looks so yummy. I want to drizzle some olive oil on top. And then the onion and the leek mixture. Yay! It looks yummy and nice. We are done. Let's dig in and enjoy. Make sure you put the onions. Wow! I'll have to make another bunch of the leek onion mixture, because once you put the onions, the taste is on another level. This hummus is yummy, creamy, flavorful. Try out this recipe from Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook by Claudia. Enjoy it and have fun. That's it for today. Bye bye and God bless.